Hello guys, tomorrow will be May the 4th, and sadly the actor that played Chewbacca, Peter Mayhew, just died yesterday. So this video will be dedicated to him, and we're going to make something fun Star Wars related with our old computing gear. So if you have been on the channel, you might remember the series on the HP 2645 and this really nice HP terminal. And that also has this very nice characters. The HP is able to draw characters in a much more detailed way than most terminals of this era. And in the previous series we added on top of the regular set, we added a math set, table character set and a large character set. But definitely one character set it doesn't have is the Star Wars characters, the Orabesh. Which you see on various screens in the Star Wars movies. And since I made a little editor, I created my own set. Actually, I have two versions of it. This is the thin one, but I think I'm going to go with this one and see if I can replace the default set with the Orabesh character set. I have created the binary file to put on the PROM, a bipolar PROM. They're very fast, but you can only program them once. So wait for start. Wow, programmed it, it verified it, it passed. Alright, next step is to swap the ROMs on the board. I will take the uppercase out. Alright, and so I'll put a little switch here so I can actually still have the lowercase if I want to see if this is still working and switch to the Orabesh with the switch. You need your special key to open the terminal. Here we go. 60112, that's the one. Hopla. Alright. Okay, so moment of truth. Let's see if it speaks Star Wars. Still happy. He didn't do terminal ready. Okay, so that's, well, wait. Magic switch? Nope.
Are we supposed to unearth this?
Oh, you know, it's not generating. Oh, I know why. I forgot the rewiring of the and or stuff. So that's what I forgot to do. I have to tie those logic pins to plus because the selection logic of that chip is not the same as the original chip that was on there. Alright. Okay. Try number 2. The Empire Strikes Back. Nah. Woohoo! It's doing something weird.
Is that good or bad?
Bad. Oh my. No, it has the extra sets correct and the base set is just messed up.
You're just like one step away from the Matrix.
So I have a ROM selection problem. So I could find nothing wrong with the my wiring. That should be the right mod, and it also reads fine on the data I/O. So I'm going to reprogram another one and see if it was a chip problem. Okay, it passed. All right, we are up to the Return of the Jedi now. This is our third try. Let's see if it just comes up with any character set. Ah, what was a bad chip? Here we go. Oh, and it's overlapping. Huh, there is something at least. But there are all these extra things in there. Alright, that is user error. I think I put 2 of the baseboards because I left that one from the previous experiment. Yes, I messed up. I put 2 base character boards instead of a base character board and display enhancements with the 3 extra sets that I had taken out for an experiment before. Okay, I think the force is strong with that one. 1, 2. Ooh, that's it.
Was it?
I am. I am talking rubbish. Okay, it took me 3 episodes, but I got it. A long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. This looks really alien. Very thick and the same height. Right. I think I did a fine job here. So now we are ready for a demonstration. Opening credits, A New Hope. And it says, a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away, Star Wars Episode 4, A New Hope. It is a period of civil war, blah blah blah, rebel spaceship, etc. And here you have it, the Star Wars terminal. I have put back the original card on the terminal so it behaves again, and that was to show there is some incredible ASCII Star Wars art on the web, and in particular a whole movie. It's way too slow for that terminal, but I wanted to show you some screenshots of it. Leia and R2-D2, Han Solo and Chewbacca, R2-D2 and C-3PO, is Darth Vader, the evil Death Star, and the credits go to this guy, Simon Janssen, and I'll show you how to get it from a regular computer. It's partly easy on the Linux platform. You just do telnet towel.blinkenlights.nl for Netherlands, and or any platform that has a telnet will work. And here you go. Star Wars movie in ASCII. And it goes through the whole story of Star Wars, and it's incredibly well done. Is Leia's ship being captured? R2 and C-3PO. And the evil Darth Vader. What do you think, R2?
What do you want me to do?
Try it. Just type something. Do you notice anything special?
It's not written in English.
What is it?
It's nerd.
And then you try the terminal.
What do you mean by that?
You type.
Oh.
Do you notice something?
Help me, my dad won't let me sleep. He's ruining my health for his YouTube career.
And actually I had the honor to meet Peter Mayhew, and he was kind enough to sign the back of my droid. And there he is, Peter Mayhew, Chewbacca. May the Force be with you.